The next stock on our list is Despegar, which is a leading online travel agency in Latin America. They act like a one-stop shop for travelers, offering a wide range of travel products and services, including airline tickets, hotels, travel packages, car rentals, and more. Despegar makes money by charging commissions on bookings and offering financial services like travel loans. Overall, this company has benefited from the expanding Latin American travel boom. It operates in an unpenetrated market that has a significant total addressable market, meaning there is high potential for revenue growth for the company. Taking a look at some of their current numbers, their portfolio of travel apps are maintaining top positions among the most popular travel apps in Latin America. In addition, the number of app installations has grown by an impressive 28% year over year to roughly 15 million. App-based transactions have also grown to the highest rate yet, which is where they are able to earn commissions. Despegar has recovered from the pandemic lockdowns that halted travel and is now stronger than ever with double-digit growth rates. It offers an impressive free cash flow yield of 10.87% alongside a double-digit ROIC. In terms of the balance sheet, the company has low levels of debt and a significant cash position. The company's debt has decreased over the years, leading to increased financial flexibility. As far as management goes, the CEO has an approval rating of 75% with an overall workplace rating of 3.9 out of 5. Our analyst calculated a fair value of $21.98 based on conservative free cash flow growth rates, implying undervaluation by about 43%.